Don't jump that way, you'll hurt yourself, won't you? Don't jump with your feet, jump with your knees. Careful. Okay. Did you know you add water to that, love? You have to read the back. Because I didn't know either.
Where's the cotton socks?
I don't know. Where's cotton socks?